Hello, welcome to Constitutional Freedoms, which is Chapter 13. You will only have most likely 2 videos for this unit, so let's get started. Our essential question that we want to cover today is the Bill of Rights necessary, and why is it important that the Bill of Rights be incorporated? So first of all, in order to talk about the Bill of Rights and its necessity, let's think back to the Anti-Federalist and the Federalist discussion from our Constitution unit. If you remember, the Federalists and the Anti-Federalists formed our first 2 political parties in the United States, and some of the big issues that they had were over the incorporation of the Bill of Rights in the Constitution and also over the size of the federal government. So if you'll just think back with me, the Anti-Federalists were in favor of a smaller central government, very similar to a central government that we would have had under the Articles of Confederation, while the Federalists were in favor of a much larger, much more powerful central government. The Anti-Federalists refused to sign the Constitution without the inclusion of the Bill of Rights, and the Federalists just didn't really think that it was necessary to have a Bill of Rights because all of the state constitutions, or most of them, had a Bill of Rights already. So on to the Bill of Rights. These are the first 10 amendments in the Constitution. They include things like your freedom of speech, press, religion, assembly, petition, your right to bear arms, and then all the way down through the States' Rights Amendment, which is granted by the 10th Amendment. So the 14th Amendment is not part of the Bill of Rights, obviously, but it's very, very important to the protection of your constitutional rights. The 14th Amendment granted citizenship to everyone born or naturalized in the United States. That was kind of the big thing that it did. But the 14th Amendment also incorporated the Bill of Rights at the state level. And what that means is basically the federal Constitution guaranteed you those freedoms that you have in the Bill of Rights, but there was really nothing to hold the states accountable to those protections as well. So the 14th Amendment basically said that you have all of those rights in the 10th Amendment at the federal, or in the Bill of Rights at the federal level, but you also have them at the state level. So with that, I will stop for today. If you have any questions, let me know.